Hello class, welcome to Unit 5. We're going to talk about pronouns, subject pronouns, and object pronouns. I want to explain a little bit more about sentence structure. So when they say sentence structure, we're talking about the pieces that come together to make a sentence. Subject is who we're talking about. Verb could be a be verb like the am, are, and is, or an action verb like walk, kick, kiss. Object. Okay, let's talk about the object. The object comes after the verb. Okay, so this is where the piece goes. It receives the action of the verb. So let's give an example. I'm going to write, let me use this one. We're going to use a subject noun, and then I'm going to use a noun, an object noun, before we get to pronouns, okay? So Tom, okay, that's who we're talking about. The verb is kicked. He kicked it, right? Tom kicked the cat. Okay, so here it says it receives the action of the verb. Did Tom get kicked? The cat got kicked. The subject is who, right? So Tom kicked the cat. So the cat is receiving the kick. Okay, so we have a noun, and the verb. So this is what the object is. They're receiving whatever the verb is giving them. Because Tom, he doesn't have to kick the cat. He could kiss. Tom kisses the cat. Some people like to kiss their animals. Me, no. Okay, but Tom kisses the cat. So what does the cat get? The cat got a kiss. Who is the subject? Who did it? Tom. So it's all about what Tom did to the cat. This is the object. Now we're going to talk about subject pronouns and object pronouns. Remember, they're receiving whatever's coming to them. So we can have, so let's go over these ones. Subject pronoun is before the verb. Make sure I'm not all the way off. So it's I, you, he, she, it, and then plural would be we and they. Object pronoun is after the verb. Me, you, him, her, it. And then plural is us and them. Sorry, there's a little bug flying around. So we can use a pronoun for either one of these spots. I will use a simple example and then we can look at the book's example, right? So let's go back to Tom. So the first one is, we'll stick with a simple sentence. Tom kicked the cat. Okay, we can change any one of these into a pronoun, right? So what is Tom? He's a boy. So we can say, he kicked the cat. And then we can change the cat. So what's an object pronoun for cat? It. He kicked it. This sentence works if we saw this or the sentence before told us about Tom and cat. We don't have to repeat it, but Tom kicked the cat. So noun, noun. Then we got pronoun, subject pronoun, and then object pronoun. He kicked the cat, right? He kicked it. Or, you know, we can just leave that one. He kicked the cat. Or we can always change it to leave the regular noun. Tom kicked it. Because we could see the cat walking by, and I can say, Tom kicked it. And you and I will see that it's a cat. So the object pronouns come after. So we'll use some of the book examples to practice this. All right, let's see. So the first one they give is, well, we already went through cats. Let's go a little bit further. Okay. So we can say, she hears the cat, right? She is going to subject pronoun, right? She hears the cat. Okay? So she hears the cat. Now, if, let's say the cat is the subject now, we can put the cat, well, we know this is the object because it's after the verb. Anything that goes before the verb becomes the object. Okay? She hears the cat. We can change this to be simple, like she hears it. And that would be the object pronoun. I don't want you to be confused in the book because they wrote it backwards. They wrote an example like this. The cat hears her. So what this is saying is the cat can hear her. So she's the one making noise. She hears the cat. The cat is the one that's going meow, right? The cat hears her. She could be yelling. So the cat hears her. The cat hears her. If I were to make a longer sentence, the cat hears her and runs away. Why would the cat run away? Because maybe she's scary or very loud. So remember, as long as the verb's here, you would use any of these object pronouns. Let's use one that's plural. Oops, we don't erase that one. So they're receiving the action. So we can put a subject pronoun. So we can use something like we, verb, see animals. Okay, so remember at this point, we're doing a subject pronoun. Right here, it's just a plural noun. But we could change it, right? We see, now it's lots of them, right? We see them. So we see them. So this becomes a plural. Oops. So now we're using an object pronoun. This is a plural object pronoun. We see animals. We see them. So you can make the animals the subject. And then They're receiving the action, right? We can change it around because we know it's all about we, me and you, and we see the animals. We see animals. We see them. If we're talking about the animals, you can say animals see. Okay, so they became the subject, the animals. Animals see what? So I can't use subject pronoun. I have to use the object. They see us. So actually it would say the animals. The animals see us and run to the river. To make a longer sentence, the animals see us, so this is the object pronoun, and run to the river. So this is how subject pronoun and object pronoun work in a sentence.